working cast for the phase we're at. We have the tooth-borne framework constructed, and we have one indirect die because of the type of impression that had to be done. Doctor took a separate small impression just to get a good impression of this post canal, and I made an indirect die of that fitting on this cast, and we have all the tooth-borne frameworks constructed. These have been tried in, and we just need to do our solder indices. And I have the post, and so we have this framework constructed, and I also have the custom cast abutments on the implants manufactured at this point. This was all manufactured using an index from the cast of the provisionals. Because it's a maxilla, we have the good fortune of being able to index off the palate. So this palate, and we have a nice impression of this palate, so we can index everything together, and that enables for us to build this framework within the parameters of the provisionals. So at this stage that I'm at the moment, this framework is done, the post and core is done, and we have the custom abutments. Now, the next thing we're going to do, I need to do, is tap some screw threads into these custom abutments. We want to do this as a screw retain case, and this doctor wants to tap screws into these abutments. So now that these have been done, these have been verified intraorally. The finishing lines were fine-tuned. We got some feedback from the crest of the gingiva, and I have, see if I can focus this. I have adjusted the finishing lines labially on these so that we're going to be about 1 millimeter sub G. And at this point, I am ready to start the process of tapping in, drilling holes in each one of these, and tapping in some screws, and making the superstructure framework that goes over this. I will pick it up with another video when I get that done, maybe in the middle of doing that. So that's it for now.